Hello, good day. Welcome at my channel. Discussion topic: Taro food value. Taro is a vegetable native to Southeast Asia and India. Bangladesh boasts a rich nutritional profile that has made it a staple in diets across the globe. Here is a brief discussion of food value. Carbohydrates. Taro is primarily composed of complex carbohydrates, making it an excellent source of sustainable energy. Dietary fiber. High in dietary fiber, taro aids in digestion and promotes gut health. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and prevent spikes, reducing the risk of diabetes. Vitamins. Taro is rich in several essential vitamins, including vitamin C, which boosts the immune system, promotes healthy skin, vitamin B6, vital for brain function and metabolism. Minerals. Taro is a good source of minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and iron. Potassium helps to regulate blood pressure, fluid balance, and magnesium supports muscle and nerve function. Low in fat. Taro is naturally low in fat and contains no cholesterol, making it a heart-healthy option for those watching their fat intake. Antioxidants. Taro contains antioxidants like as beta-carotene flavonoids, which help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Moderate protein content. While not as high in protein as some other plant-based foods, taro still provides a moderate amount of this essential nutrient, contributing to muscle repair and growth. Thanks for watch. Goodbye.